Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Emmeka, or you can call me Emmeka. We're doing another vlog today. How have y'all been liking the life in Black?
Every second, every minute,
I think they actually
that she can get it.
But today is, I don't know what today is. We're going to a Mexican restaurant that's not too far away from me. And then I'm probably gonna give y'all a little tour of like North Liberty.
I maintenance on everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna talk to you.
Wait, what's that?
You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
How do y'all be recording in the car? It's always dark up in here. I know y'all saw I don't have no kids, so I really don't have a choice. If you're thinking about getting a Costco membership, do it. Honestly, I love Costco. Go get a Costco membership and tell me why I get to the pump and then tell me my membership is expired. So like, why I'm telling y'all to get a freaking membership? I ain't even got one. Y'all saw that damaged box? First of all, I've been waiting on that product, that package for probably about a month, not almost a month, and it came like that. If it's not free, I'm not getting it. And I get a majority of my hair care, skincare, and things products for free because I'm a content creator. So I use Skeepers. I put it right here, what it is. I use it for things that I want. So if I want to try something and I don't want to spend $30 on it, I'll do a free collaboration, get the whole product for free, have it forever, boom, easy. So I've been trying to get my hands on this. This is the Detangling Nectar from Pattern. It's basically like just like a pre-poo. This right here is probably like $25, and I'm like, I want to try it, but I don't want to buy it. So I found that collab, and I was like, I'm gonna do it. So it came with this Detangling Nectar, a mini wide tooth comb, a spray bottle. This right here is holy grail. I'm gonna do a video where I talk about the best wash and go combos or like something like that. This baby is gonna be in there because she is chef's kiss. I don't love the smell of it. It don't really stink or nothing, but I like sweet smelling things. This is the mousse, baby. I'll spend money on this. If I didn't get it for free, I'll spend my money on it because it's that good. And do y'all, come on now. Do y'all watch Love Island? Yeah, wait, I look crusty. Okay, do y'all watch Love Island? Yo, I used to just put this show on for like background sound or whatever. I'm actually into it, bro. Look at this.
That was a friendly one.
You'll probably be like, why is they kissing everybody? So it's a kissing challenge or whatever. It's a dating show. No, it's like a whatever. It's a reality show. And at first I was like, this is nasty, but I'm like invested in the characters. So comment down below if you watch Love Island. This is the UK one. I don't like the American one. What mouthwash do y'all be using? Because I was at Walmart one day and I found this. It's Hello, hold on, let me focus it real quick. It's a mouthwash, but it's like one of those concentrated mouthwashes that like have really good ingredients in it. These towels, these are my face towels. I no longer use like these towels on my face. I don't use them on my body either, but I'll show you about that later. because they collect so much bacteria. And like how big it is, I'm gonna use this side to kind of like put some water in my face. One side of the towel is wet, and I just wipe the night off of my face, get all the little crusties. What is it? M Beauty face wash. I'm a skincare person. Like, I have to do my skincare routine morning and night. You come back inside and you don't wash your face before you get into bed. Like, what are you doing? I'm not gonna put that on my clean sheet. I just wet the other side of that towel and I just wipe it off. Literally, that's all. I've been using this milky toner. My friend Faith had suggested it, and it has really been working to even my skin tone. And for some reason, I think I ruined my skin barrier by like exfoliating or something, and my skin had been so dry, and this completely brought it back to life. Rub it in. The key to a good skincare routine is not to be too harsh. Like, I'm barely touching my skin. I'm just getting it in there, and it's a lot of like gently rubbing and pressing. Face oil, one little dropper. Rub it in your hands like that, and then you press. You don't rub. We press that with some Aquaphor. Tell me, I tried, and that's it. I don't use them regular towels no more. They get, you know, too much bacteria too fast. They get dirty too fast, and they collect like odor. So this is what we use now. See these exfoliating nets? So they're like the African exfoliating nets. They both exfoliate and they clean, and they say you can keep up to 2 years. I don't know if I'm keeping it long, but I like them. Like, they make my skin feel super soft, and I can just keep them in the shower and they dry fast. Like, but these are bath sheets. Like, they're so big, they go around your whole body and they hug you, and they're worth the money. I got them from, where did I get them from Costco, but you can get them from anywhere. Bath sheets, not like bath towels. It is 11/11. I've been seeing 11/11 a lot lately, and 444, so I don't really know what that means. Time to post on Instagram, but I'm gonna show y'all like my steps on how I organize and then how I like prepare to post. I got my tablet. Hey Nia. Okay, this gonna have to do. For Instagram, I literally go to the reels and then my drafts, and I pick like what I want to post. I think I want to post this today, CapCut, and majority of my stuff is in CapCut that I like have edited. And
not telling you to do this, but like,
what are you doing?
And
why is it doing that? I hate Instagram. So I'm gonna show y'all how I take a video and make it into like a carousel post, so I'm not doing extra work. Okay, I have a meeting at 1, so I have to hurry this up. I'm gonna take this video that I did for pattern, just go through the video, and I find like scenes that I want. So I know for sure I want the ending where I have the twist. Let me see, this one, and I pause it at the perfect time. Boom. The glare is horrible, and I literally just screenshot. Like, I can't show y'all what I'm screenshotting. This is kind of big. Okay, I screenshotted it, right? And I screenshot that, and then I look for another clip that I might want. I'm gonna go to this app called Limit 8. I'm gonna take those screenshots. So I have my 4 pictures. I even made the 2 little pictures, like this picture and this picture, into like little stickers, so I can put them on like the cover of my post. And now I'm just gonna go here. If you look here, I really gotta figure my life out with outfits, y'all. Look at this. This girl is so cute.
I would lay something down for you.
And she got all those outfits from Shein. I gotta get on my Zoom because I obviously have not been buying the right stuff from Shein, but I don't know how to dress. I literally want to go in my closet and throw all of my clothes away and get more. I put the picture on there, I put words over, I put the stickers on it, and then the same thing for the next one. I became a Curl Mix, and I'm in their creator program, right? And so this is the package. Screenshot purposes. Pull out on here like a 4-step wash and go system. Shampoo, condition, obviously, moisturizer, or like I guess a cream or like a leave-in is the gel, and a fresh spray. They even have a mousse that can pair well with the gel if y'all, and then they have an edge control. Also have a code below. I think you get like, I don't know, I think it's like 20% off of the kit, and it comes with all the products that I showed. So I have my meeting. It is 12:45, so I have a meeting at 1. If y'all don't know, I do social media management, so I will work with companies who need social media managers. Like, I'll do it freelance.
Share this vision, that kind of fuels the,
I never eat these, that's why we still got a whole box of them. But I'm gonna make this with like some hot dogs. And comment down below if y'all put the noodle packet, the seasoning packet inside the pot, or do y'all put the noodles in y'all bowl and then put the seasoning packet in there, because I like to put it in a pot. It really like gets the juice all flavorful before I put it in a bowl, but my boyfriend do it the other way.
What are you talking about?
Pose for the thumbnail.
Pose. What is you? Pose.
He was not on that porch when I went outside. He just appeared.
This nigga's outside.
And then he was like, hey, and I was like, hi. He's like, how are you? I'm like, okay. And then he goes, what's your name? I don't really want to go. Don't want to go. This is the remix? God.
You see my YouTube, Ghetto Fabulous collaboration.
Not me actually picking up the camera every day. Is this vlog really gonna be a whole week? Maybe. 8:40 in the morning. My friend here is a first year teacher, so I'm gonna help her set up her classroom. It's so foggy out, y'all. It looks scary. It looks scary. Like over there. Over there too.
Just accidentally made a grande.
Oh, thank you. This is a whole mess. They accidentally made me a grande, so I got like a upgrade on my drink.
Oh, you got a woman. Why you hit me when you know better? You know better. Know you prove better than you do.
So I am like in no way a Tory Lanez fan, but like hear me out.
I'll stop this for the baby, you got it coming for that.
Normal people listen to music in the shower. I don't do that anymore. Let me tell y'all what I listen to in the shower. This is my girl Kendra.
Hey, what y'all doing?
Like she just
What you doing? What y'all doing? You see what y'all...
so like she'll like bring people on the show. The people that be on her show are hilarious. It's not like stage nothing, it's real. People just come on her show and act a fool. And it just be crazy stuff like Okay, last day of the vlog. Today is Saturday, August 5th, and we're going on a double date night with his sister and her girlfriend. We're gonna go to one of those rage rooms where you just break stuff. Like, you can bring stuff to break, but they have stuff for you to like use with like sticks and baseball bats or whatever they got. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. They said that we can record as long as we tag them in like the captions or whatever, wherever we post it. So we're gonna see. You just can't come here drunk.
Pretty much.
You can get drunk here. You can't come here drunk.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, got it.